Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Humana Healthy Benefits Card at Walmart. First open the Walmart website or mobile app and log into your account. After signing in, go to the top right corner and click on your account name. From the menu, select the account option. Inside your account page, open the wallet section from the left side menu. In the wallet area, you will manage all your saved payment methods and cards. This is where you add and store different ways to pay. Click on Add New Payment Method to begin. A list of payment options will appear. From here, select Benefits Card. Now carefully enter your Humana Healthy Benefits Card number, expiration date, and any required security details. Make sure every detail is correct to avoid errors during checkout. After entering the information, confirm and save the card. Once it is saved, it will appear in your wallet, and you can use it anytime you shop at Walmart. After this, you can search for products and check eligibility using the Benefit Program Eligible badge on the product page. When ready, go to Checkout and choose your benefits card as payment. For in-store shopping, tell the cashier you are using your Humana Healthy Benefits Card and follow their instructions to complete payment. Thanks for watching.